Hi, I'm Wongster1970 and today I'm going to be installing this modified ECU into my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. Let's get started. I've already got the ECU pulled out and I spoke to Ivan. He's the one that modified this ECU. He said that the 07 was very susceptible to pulling the pins out of the connectors because they didn't give you very much room to get the ECU out. So I'm hoping that I can get her plugged back in and get that boot on without any issues. It should just plug right in there. It is kind of in there. It's sitting down in it. So I'd say it's probably a win. And I'm going to sit this back in here. These are a 10mm bolt. That will be the first to go on. Okay. There's our ground. I'm going to put this side cover back on. Okay, put the seat back on. Do that. Go slide it up in here first. And back down. And that should do it. Okay, this is going to be the first startup with the replacement or the modded ECU installed. So, see what happens. Sounds good. Well, that'll do it for installing the Ivan's modified ECU in my 2007 Vstar 1300. Wasn't really much to it. Once you unplug the old one, plug the new one back in, disconnect the battery first, of course. And Ivan recommends that you eliminate any fuel controllers that you have on it that you had on prior. I didn't find any on this, so I don't think it was actually anything was modified before. The O2 sensor was disconnected for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it never kicked up a error code, which was strange, but we'll see. Also recommends high test fuel, so I'm going to put mid to high grade. I'll probably take it down and fill it up with high grade fuel, gas, and then see how it runs from there. So that'll do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.